Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Carl. spaztech is the channel, and today we're going to be replacing the OEM mirrors on the gray Goose with some Doubletake ram arm mounted mirrors. Should be a pretty easy install, so stick around. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And once you have the OEM mirrors removed, you just simply take this little BMW adapter here, and the ball. Put these two bad boys together, like so. And then simply screw in to the existing hole. And once that's done, they suggest using the arm of the mirror to tighten it the rest of the way down, but it's pretty tight as is by hand. I probably will come back with some blue Loctite and put some Loctite on these to keep them from coming loose, backing out at all. I've had the OEM mirror folded on me going down the highway, so it leaves a little bit. And other than that, that part is easy. Once you have that done, you just take the ram arm here. It's got a little spring in one end, two spots for the balls. And just take one end of it for the mirror, like so. Easy enough. Give it a little bit of a, tighten it down just a little bit to hold that mirror in place. And you can get it over the ball handlebar. And as you tighten that down, it cinches down both ends. And that is just brilliant. So, easy as that. And then we can do this side. See it right and tight, right? Viola. And once again, we're going to take one of these. This is the BMW adapter. Two of these come with the mirrors along with the ball. So we just screw these two together. Again, I'll come back with some Loctite for this. Just thread that into the old OEM spot. Nice, not having to clamp it to the bars. Our mirror. And just like so. A little bit of tightening just to hold the mirror in place. And you can do the same thing on the ball here. Pretty much. There you have it. Replace the OEM with some very nice ram mount that you can fold up out of your way. If you know how to ride in the dirt, which I don't, so I'll be prepared anyhow. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stick around. We got a crazy ass adventure coming up in less than 10 days. See you there.